Yo YouTube, what's the deal? It's your boy Coyote back at it with another video. But as you guys see in the title, man, we got some pretty exciting videos. I know a lot of you guys are curious to see what the dyno numbers are going to be. And we got the 5.0 out. Got my boy Tone right here. Let's go ahead and turn the beast on. Not too much bark in it, but it gets the job done. So first thing we need to do is head to E85 station, grab some E85. So you guys are probably wondering why we're on the freeway with 6 miles. So we're 4.2 miles away from the E station and 5 miles in the tank. Wish me luck, guys. We somehow made it here to the E85 station. Finna get some good heat. Go ahead and lubricate it a little bit before we stick it on. I'm debating if I should give y'all a pull. Alright, I might just give y'all a pull. Nothing crazy, man, just a little third gear 60 roll. Alright, y'all, just made it up here to House of Power. This is where we're going to be dynoing the cars at today. Clean ass Supra M3 competition, twin turbo red eye. Sheesh. You want to go ahead and tell me a little something about the car?
Just Helion twin turbo kit, stock motor, shooting for like 1,000 wheel. Sheesh. We did that last time, but we have a different block in it now.
What size are the turbos?
They're 67s.
67s?
That also is well changed. So we had 62s on it before that are right there. No oil, no water, nothing. They have no lines running to it.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, because the other setup was oiled, and I did not like that shit because it would run a mechanical oil pump off the crank. So we pretty much deleted all that and saved us like fucking, I don't know, 4 hours of install time.
So it still has a stock supercharger on it, right?
It does, yes. So it's
Sheesh.
twin turbo and stock supercharger.
Okay, jeez, that's crazy. Fire ass V-lock set up in the back. Couple more Supras. Is that a Tony or Beamers? This will be the dyno that we will be using today. Little dyno jet. In case you don't know about the Moz jet. So as you guys can see, just a basic setup, man. E85 and intake, man. Stock header still. Go ahead and zoom in for you guys that don't believe me. Stock manifold. We haven't even ported the manifold yet. On a stock throttle body. Custom P51 intake. Couple weight reduction mods and full drag pack. That's pretty much all that we have done to the car. As you guys see, the car is pretty much always gutted. For those of y'all that don't know yet, finally got some clean ass bare brakes. Brakes drop about like 61 pounds on each side of the fucking car. That is crazy. It is rotational mass, so it is lessening that weight just a little more. Of course, as y'all should know already, we are running that dumped exhaust. Enough of my car though. Let's go ahead and check out a little bro car. What's up, Tone? Y'all see, we got a clean ass FBO setup, man. MSD Manifold. Damn, this motherfucking knuckles is ashy, boy. So we got the 103 Nick Williams throttle body, RotoFab Intake, long tube headers, and that's pretty much that's on the car, man. I also seen that a lot of you guys were impressed of this car, man. He's beating 10-speed Mustang, 10-speed Camaros.
I mean,
so
even if you're going, can I be frank? You got 6 speeds beating 10 speeds too.
It's all in tune.
I was talking with one of the guys from out there in Florida. You got Calvo Tune out there. He's a pretty good tuner also. They got max effort cars out there also. I mean, those are great tuners. You guys should go to them too if you got a 6-speed. Don't ask me to come to me. I mean, I had a few people DM me, but I mean, if you're not on my team, we don't really work, you know what I mean? We don't really do too much working on the cars.
Team you're part of, man, by the way.
Come on, man, the team that we
code is kept for the motherfucking win. Y'all see, he showed up on a full stocks today. No skinny, no rear drag pack. But I heard on the dyno, man, when you're running on the stock tires, you get a lot better numbers than when you're running on a drag pack. You know, idiot like me doesn't listen, still comes up on some Mickey Thompson's ET Street SS's. Again, FBO Camaro 6-speed, E85 intake only 10-speed Mustang. The pain, man, what you think it's gonna put down on the dyno?
This?
Yeah, a little snack right here.
Probably like Like 490, 500.
What you think,
Based
Tom?
on what you said. So.
Like, yeah, I say like, I mean, I'm 6-speed, so should be higher. What do autos put down? Like 480?
470, like 475.
So me being manual with no drivetrain loss, I say 490.
I say 480, man.
Lost, but I got that torque converter that's, you know what I mean? So like a little bit more than auto.
What do you think I'm gonna put down?
You?
Yeah.
Probably like 450.
Yeah. I think my shit gonna put down like, I say like 440.
I mean, it is a lightweight car. I was just telling my video, rotational mass and dead weight, I mean, a lot.
Yeah, you'll see this motherfucker, like I said, is
see, like,
super fucking light. Real soon, I'm gonna go ahead and change the full wheel and tire setup, so make sure you guys are staying tuned for that. I think y'all gonna like this setup. It's gonna be real better. Go ahead and tell them what's this in your hand, man.
This right here is a fucking Bellmouth and Prey Performance. He did his own testing, I believe, but I couldn't find it on his page, so we're gonna do our own testing. Since nobody else did it, like, fuck it, why not? Let's do it.
For people that don't know, go ahead and just show them what it's gonna do.
So we're gonna take off, we're gonna do a pull with the filter on. We're gonna pop the filter off. We're gonna put the Bellmouth on. Granted, there's no tune. I talked to 2 Prey cars that said that it requires no tune, so. I mean, I think it needs a tune. I think Prey gave them a tune with it, and they just don't know. But we'll see what the power difference is without the tune. No, I ain't downloaded this car in like 3 years, bro. Sir, what y'all think it's gonna make, y'all? Leave in the comments down below.
I low-key feel bad for about to put my car on the dyno now, because my car is twice as loud as this motherfucker, so make sure y'all stay tuned for this shit. So the first pull was with the RotoFab Intake. Now we are switching over to the Bellmouth by Prey Performance, and we're gonna see if we get any gains out of it.
Hell yeah, guys. Beautiful.
Alright guys, so the car made some really good power. Tone does not want his numbers shown, so we are not showing his numbers in this video. We will be dropping his numbers at 1,000 subs. Be sure to go check out his channel. We'll be leaving at the bottom of the video.
I was trying to do the tune on it first to see what it really did.
Is that stock too?
Yeah.
You impressed with the numbers or what?
I mean, I expected nothing less. If I was on a tune with it, I mean, I'm going to do it tonight. So if I put the tune on it, I think we'll be a little bit over more than what I said where we'll be at. So all you Camaro guys out there, go get the Bellmouth. I'm going to try to get in contact with Prey, and we could just distribute them like that, honestly. Other than that, guys, it did what it did. That's a stock tune on top of that. And also, I wanted to do C85 for you guys with the Bellmouth, and I think we will make as much, not as much, but almost as much as a Manifold would make. C85 in a Bellmouth, that's a fucking combo right there. It should be a 10-speed killer for all you guys out there with 6 speeds and 8 speeds. And when I mean 10-speed killer, I mean like that fucking 10-speed killer. Other than that, guys, hell yeah, that was good testing, baby. It was worth the money to come show people. I only came to come show you guys. I already know what the fuck it was gonna do. Other than that, guys, yeah, let's get to it.
Time for a fast car to get on the dyno now. Let's go. Once again, guys, don't mind the dirty ass car. Unfortunately, we got wires showing from the Mickey, so it wouldn't be the best idea to put this bitch on a dyno today. We're gonna get some new tires and then we're gonna try to come back and get some dyno pulls for the car.